Hey guys, I was watching a video today by Abdaal. He was comparing the different types of iPads that you can get today, and when he was comparing them he used a program called Procreate in order to write on the screen with a pencil as an overlay onto the video, and I was thinking that was really cool, but I don't have an iPad Pro, so I went to exploring to find a way to do it with my Pixelbook and my Pixelbook pen. And what I found was that it's possible to do it, you just have to use a different app on Android, and that's because Procreate is not available on Android. The app is called Sketchbook, Draw and Paint. It's made by Autodesk Incorporated, and I found that it gets the job done. In the next 6 minutes I'll break down how I was able to get an overlay drawing onto a video using a Pixelbook, the pen, and Adobe Premiere Elements, version 13.1. I went ahead and saved the video and then exported it to Dropbox so that I could easily open it within my PC. We go into Effects, Keying, and then ChromaKey. The next thing that's really helpful to look at is having a video on the background as you add this video onto the top of it, of the actual handwriting. It actually works out a little bit better so that you can see the way that the effects actually play a role in getting it to look right and get rid of the background of the grid pattern. What we're doing here is a time stretch in order to stretch out the handwriting video so that you can actually see the handwriting occurring more in real time. So what I learned here was that you need to have a thicker pen when you're actually making the text for a video. So what I did is I went back, used a thicker marker to draw with, and you'll see that I got a little bit better of results. Alright, let's take a look at the final product. I think it turned out pretty good for having a free Android app and just using a Pixelbook and this Adobe Photoshop Premiere Elements, which is also a pretty budget-friendly program. But yeah, if you have any methods that you think works a little bit better or easier, please go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear more. I'm always willing to learn and see better ways of doing this. So, thanks for watching.